Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Techno class. Today we are going to discuss about non-green plants. So children, before I said you some of the plants, those plants are having chlorophyll. They can prepare their own food with the help of the photosynthesis. Am I clear? Now we are going to discuss about non-green plants. So what is the meaning of the non-green plants? These type of the plants do not have chlorophyll. If they are not having chlorophyll, they cannot prepare their own food. And these type of the plants are called heterotrophic plants. They cannot prepare their food. They help on other, whether organisms or we say that other plants also. Let's see children. So this name of plants that grow on dead and decaying plant matter. Dead and decaying matter. See, before I start this, we like during rainy season, after rains, we found some of the grass or hay grass, dry grass found there, or some what we say manure is there or garbage. In the near of the places, we found some of the mushrooms there in the white and the black spots are presented like umbrella structure. They are not in a green color, they are in a sometimes white color is there, which are the edible to eat, or some are in a yellow color also presented, or dark white also presented. Children, we like to eat that mushrooms. Am I clear? So that kind of the mushrooms are called plants only. They cannot prepare their own food. They help on dead or decayed matter only. Let's see children. After rains, we found umbrella like structures growing from the ground. Such plants are called saprophytes. So this is the main one. Saprophytes are these plants that grow on dead and decayed matter only. These are called saprophytes. They cannot prepare their own food with themselves. They depend upon other nutrients or other organs, isn't it? So this is the about saprophytes, the plants which are come from the near of the dead or decayed matter. This type of the plants are called saprophytes. Let's see children. They grow on dead or decayed matter only. These type of the saprophytes are grow on what we call a dead and decayed matter only. What is the meaning of the decayed matter? The decayed matter is which is the decomposed, which is the long back dead plants or animal. From there they get the nutrients, isn't it? These are the very important. Am I clear children? So let's see the next type of the nutrients. Understand? Let's see the next type of the nutrients. Okay children, let's see in our house or regularly or commonly happens in our daily life. Let's see. Your parents or elders used to advise always, oftenly they say, don't touch any food items which are stored one with moist hand or with water. If you catch or if you touch any food items like a bread stored one or any curry you are going to keep that for next day or the couple of days, if any dried one, dehydrated, no, dried one, or any pickles, when you touch that moist with the hand, after 1 or 2 days, there are some fungi. We call that fungi will be appears on the food material, growth on the food material. So that kind of the bacteria or the plants also presented fungi, algae, isn't it? Alkanes also we can call. So they are also depend upon food directly or indirectly. Other one is a very important topic. Now we are going to know. It is a really strange thing, amazing thing we can also call. Let's see children. Some of the plants, they eat insectivorous plants. They eat what we say animals, or they eat the animals like insectivorous plant. They eat the insect directly. Is it possible? Yes. Their leaves or their flowers modified into nest-like structure. For example, if you take a nepenthes, when you see the plant of the nepenthes, it's look like there are the nest is presented. Inside there are thorns are presented. If any bacteria, if any insects are going to inside of the attract towards the plants, attract towards the insect. We know that insect used to take a honey. So they used to go into the flower, then immediately they start in towards the plant, that flower, isn't it? They are slowly close towards the covering of the insect. It's not possible to come out, isn't it? So some plants are called carnivorous plants also we can call. So nepenthes is a best example. Let's see how there. The amazing thing is there used to be catch the insect and they digest after the release of the which is the undigested part or which is the unwanted part again outside, isn't it? So that is also amazing part. And another one is a very important. Let's see. This is the very important symbiosis. What is the meaning of the symbiosis? Children, symbiosis is a associating with two options. Associating or benefits both, like some plants are nitrogen plants are presented. They want the nitrogen. So some bacteria are presented like a doll family. Doll family plants are needed or required of the nitrogen. So some bacteria which are the need of the food, they will be present on the roots. So this is the both benefits also present. Let's see. See, special mode of the obtain nutrition in insectivorous plants. Some plants like those of the doll family have a type of bacteria growing on their roots in nodes. The bacteria fix nitrogen for the plants while it gets shelter. In the roots of these plants, they used to be associated with both also. Bacteria will get the benefits. At the same time, this doll family type of the plants also get the benefits. So children, when we were started the beginning of that, both also very important. Autotropics are there, heterotrophs also is there. Autotrophs are, they prepare their own food without help of any plants or animals. they do the method of or the synthesis process photosynthesis. The second one is the heterotroph plants. Some plants they do not prepare their food because of or due to lack of chlorophyll. So these kind of the plants are called non-chlorophyll plants. They do not have the chlorophyll. So they used to be depend according to the edges, according to the adaptating the surrounding, isn't it? They cannot go here and there, but according to the surrounding, they used to be edges of their life and adapting towards them, isn't it? So the same thing we also follow. How though plants are not moving, but they are making themselves having the food directly or indirectly in other ways. Am I clear, children? Have a nice day. Thank you.